Sit down.
Oh man, I'm gonna push you.
Oh!
Okay. Oh. I don't really want to get out. Okay. Ready, guys? I'm going to do a somersault.
Oh Lord.
Okay.
Go, go, go. Oh yeah, that was awesome.
Amazing. You have to try that, Sarah. It's really cool.
Chloe's like, what are you doing?
Yeah, I know. I can't feel mine either. I can't feel my butt either. That's a rose. Ow, wait, hold on my butt. Get your sunglasses, hand it over to where?
Right there.
Oh. Ow! My hand really hurt.
Yeah, well, welcome to my life.
Let's go, guys.
Why do you always gotta get on the weird side, Chloe?
I can't.
My hand is over there.
Oh. Do this.
Ah.
No. Ow! I'm freezing.
This is fun.
This is freezing. We've been out here for like 2 hours. I'm really cold.
I gotta turn around. Okay, there we go. Now we're good with Chloe.
It's freezing.
Chloe, come on, keep up.
Wait, did we take a video of her feet?
No.
I have my mouth now. Chloe, stop.
Look at what's stuck
She
to
is
her.
Santa dog.
No, we cannot taste it. Santa dog.
Okay, Chloe. You can here.
I wasn't.
Take the dog.
Yeah, I cannot feel my hair.
Oh, the cold. This is like a really long video. I don't know. It's really cold. It's really cold. And I'm the person behind the camera. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Go, Mosh. Ah! Oh my god. That didn't work. I'm going to slip and hit my butt.
I was going to slide.
It's not going to work.
Yeah. Chloe, Sarah, there's some ice down there. Go try it out for me.
Oh.
No, it's not ice. Well, you should go. Yeah, there is some ice.
No, there really is some. Some slush.
I'm queen of the mountain. She's my dog.